Hi guys, today I'm doing a quick video on a 2018 Nissan Nismo. This is this is the blank buttons right here. This is what I purchased off of eBay. I'll leave you a link in the description below. It's basically just a blank delete cubby where you can put your cell phone in. It goes in here. So what you have to do is you have to pull up on this here. I could do this real quick. There's going to be two screws right here and right here, which is the same as these. So see if I can do this with one hand. Sorry about the shaky video. Focus. Okay. So this should just come right off. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to insert the new one now. Let's hope this fits. Yep. Okay, so that's in there. This will literally take less than 5 minutes to do. And that's how there's a little, from the laser printing, there's a little bit of plastic left over there. You can see. So let's see. And that's it. So that's the insert. I might have this trimmed out in leather or maybe red, go to an upholstery person. Maybe have this done, but overall it looks good. I mean, it's extra space. So tell me what you think, guys. I mean, it's more room, and honestly, I mean, this is just a waste. So, I mean, I'm happy with it. Alright, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Take care.